So in this lesson, we will be learning about composite functions of the calculus course. So what is composite functions? Composite functions is a combination of two or more functions to make one equation. So for example, let's take f of x is equal to 5x plus 2 and g of x is equals to x squared minus 3. Now you want to find f of g. So f of g is basically g of x inside the function of fx, and we can write this also as f of g of x. So we know that g of x is inside of f, so we're gonna replace g of x with its values, which is x squared plus 3. So you get f of x squared minus 3. So x squared minus 3 is inside of f of x, so we replace the x with x squared minus 3. So now you get f times x squared minus 3 plus 2. So now we need to distribute 5. You get 5x squared minus 15 plus 2, and simplify it more, you get 5x squared minus 13. So this is the answer of f of g. So what if we want to find g of f? Using the same principle, it's g of f of x. So sub in f of x by its values, you get g of 5x plus 2. Since 5x plus 2 is inside of g of x, you sub in the x value of g of x with 5x plus 2. So you get 5x plus 2 square minus 3, which is equal to, by expanding the bracket, it's equal to 25x squared plus 20x plus 4 minus 3, and it's equals to 25x squared plus 20x and plus 1. So this is the answer of g of f. So another example, let's say we have f of x is equal to 3x minus 4 and g of x is x cubed minus 4, and we want to compute f of g of 3. So we're going to compute f of g of 3. So what I do usually is I find g of 3. So we sub in 3 inside the x value of g of x. So we get 3 cubed minus 4, and 3 cubed minus 4 is equals to 23. So now we know that g of 3 is 23, and we want to find f of g of 3. So this will be equals to f of 23. So now you sub in 23 inside the value of x in f of x. So you get 3 times 23 minus 4, and the answer will be 65. So this is the answer of the computation of f of g of 3.